Hello everyone. Today I'll be presenting about Residensi Meru Ipoh, a prima affordable housing project. I am ALANICE SEDU ANAK STALIN, student ID 2023-10726. The project title is Residensi Meru Ipoh. It is one of the prima affordable housing project. The location for this project is located at Meru, Ipoh, Perak. The developer for this is Prima Corporation Malaysia. The objective for this project is to address affordable housing for middle-income Malaysian. This housing project also provides few facilities. One of it is community hall, the mosque, playground, parking spaces, and also swimming pool. This project also offers up to 4 types of floor plan, which areas of 1,137 square feet and 959 square feet. The price range will be from RM 178,564 ringgit. These are the stakeholders involved in this project. In the first stage is planning stage, which is Prima Corporation Malaysia. This is the main developer and the policy driver. Next is Perak State Government. They provide land, ensure state level support and help with coordination between departments. Lastly is Majlis Bandaraya Ipoh, which is MBI, the local authority responsible for zoning, permit and infrastructure approval. The second one is design and approval stage, which is architect, where they design the layout structure based on Prima requirement. Next is urban planner, where they plan access road, public transport link, and green spaces. Lastly is CIDB Malaysia, where they ensure the design follow national construction standard. The third one is construction stage, where main contractor involved to manage the construction work, and with help of subcontractor, where they handle specific tasks like electrical work, plumbing and painting. Lastly is material supplier, where they provide building material. Next is financing and sales stage, where bank is involved to provide housing loan, and Prima loan scheme, which offers special government backed financing with lower interest. Next is potential buyers, where they usually middle-income Malaysian who apply to buy the unit. Lastly is occupancy stage, where resident, the homeowner who live in the complete unit and form the community. Next is property management team, where they oversee the maintenance, security, waste management and common facility. Lastly is local utility provider, where they supply water, which is air Perak, electricity, internet and waste disposal services. These are the strengths of Residensi Meru. The first one is affordable price, where the units are priced between 150,000 to 250,000, which is below the market rate for urban residential properties. It's target middle-income Malaysian, which giving them a chance to own a home without overextending their finances. Next is strategic location, where it is located in Meru Ipoh, which is expanding township with growing amenities and infrastructure. The area is close to industrial zone, schools, and commercial area, which support employment and convenient for the resident. The third one is the existence of government loan assistance, where Prima offer housing loan scheme that are more flexible than traditional bank. It helps the person who apply for this with limited financial history or lower income to secure financing with low down payment and longer repayment term. Next is family-oriented facility. The project includes facilities like playground, community hall, and green spaces. It supports healthy lifestyle and community living, which is appealing for families and children. Lastly is the peaceful environment. It is located slightly away from the Ipoh city centre in a more suburban setting. This provides a quieter, less congested environment ideal for family or retire looking for peaceful living. Move on, this is the weaknesses of Residensi Meru. The first one is the price is still high for B40 group. Although marketed as affordable, the price Rp150 to Rp250,000 is still unaffordable for the lowest 40% income group, which is V40, especially in the single income household. This means PRMA may not fully achieve its goal. Second, the low uptake rate. Despite affordability and good location, some PRMA projects, including this one, experience low sale or unsold unit. It could indicate a mismatch between location, price, and the actual need of the public. Next is construction delay. Many PRMA projects nationwide have been reported to experience delay due to contractor or financial issue. This causes uncertainty and frustration for buyers waiting to move in and increased costs for the developer. But for Residensi Meru, it is completed. Next is identical unit design, which means all units have the same layout, size, and appearance. With this, it have lack variety for buyer who might want more space or personalization. It may also reduce market appeal in the long term. Lastly is limited public transport access, where I mentioned in the introduction, the only public transport available is only the bus terminal. While in Meru is developing, public transport options are limited in some areas, especially for residents without private vehicle. It can isolate residents and reduce mobility, especially for elderly and lower income family. These are the CIDB roles. The first one is to set building standard. This is to ensure the Residensi Meru is built using approved design and method. Second is promote use of IBS. Promoting IBS in Residensi Meru can speed up the construction and improve the quality. Next is register and certified contractor. Contractor working in Residensi Meru must meet CIDB standard for quality and professionalism. Next is to ensure use of approved building material. This protects home buyer from poor quality construction that might lead to safety hazard later. Lastly is monitor construction quality. This is to ensure the project maintain high quality throughout the reduced risk of defect or failure. These are the importance. The first one is cost saving, where choosing durable and efficient material may seem more expensive upfront but help reduce long-term costs. Next is durability. Right material ensure the building lasts longer and withstand wear and tear from weather, humidity, and use. Next is energy efficiency. Some material help reduce heat and insulate better, lowering the need of air conditioning or heating. Next is safety. The right material prevent risks like fire, collapse, and mold growth or toxic exposure. Lastly is compliance, where building code and regulations set by CIDB require the use of certified material. A suggestion to help the young generation. The first one is implement the rent-to-own RTO scheme. RTO allow tenant to rent a unit first and gradually convert those payments into ownership over time. Second is introduce more flexible financing, which offer longer loan tenure and lower interest rate. Next is increase affordable housing near public transport, which will reduce the dependency on private vehicle. Next is promote industrial building system. It will lower the overall project cost, shorten construction time, and improve quality control. Next is to improve the transparency in project selection and balloting. This will make the selection of buyer and project approval more open and fair. Lastly is educational campaign on housing and financing, which will educate the public about housing right, loan option, and ownership responsibility. These are the organizations involved in this project. Residensi Meru in Ipoh is a PRMA project offering affordable home for middle-income Malaysian. It's well located with family-friendly features. Key strengths including pricing, government loan support, and a peaceful setting, but it faces issues like poor transport access and identical units. CIDB ensure quality and promote efficient system like IBS. To improve, we suggest rent-to-own option, better financing and transit access, and more buyer education. That's all from me. Thank you.